Yesterday, a CEO posted a set. Wait, we don't have to do that anymore? Oh, thank God. What's up, Internet? Welcome to Media Minute. I'm your host, Josh Muskin, and today we're talking about user-generated content, otherwise known as UGC. This is the content you see on TikTok and Instagram Reels made by everyday people and influencers. It's the content made by a user, get it? That fuels the TikTok and Instagram Reel algorithm. This style of content has also started to bleed pretty heavily into paid media. Let me explain. Meta's most recent earning calls, they mention Reels 48 times, often citing its effectiveness in keeping users on the platform 20 to 30% longer. Naturally, Meta and others like YouTube Shorts are really interested in this level of engagement. So here's what they've been up to. Ad placements previously taken by static and standard video ads are actually being replaced. In their place are organic Reels suggestions, or you guessed it, UGC and Reels formatted ads. What's that mean for you? Take a look at your Facebook and Instagram ad library. Is it all 1x1 squares and standard videos? Yeah, you can expect performance to start to tank a little bit. We've been experimenting with UGC content a lot at Web Mechanics, and recently we've seen an average CPA decrease of 100% and a conversion rate increase of 50%. All we've changed is the ad style. Facebook has even started to make a big deal about branded content ads. These are the ads run in partnership between brand and creator, but Facebook is suggesting that they result in an 82% increase in purchase outcome. Not too bad. So hop on board before it's too late. Before all your 1x1 square images and ad placements die an untimely death, and we're ushered into a UGC era. Now or never.